In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the auto playing of animated images on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the top corner of your menu. And then you want to go down and select where it says System Settings. On the left panel, you want to select where it says Accessibility. And then on the right side underneath Vision, select Motion. And where it says Autoplay Animated Images, go ahead and click inside that oval to toggle to the left until it's grayed out, and then it's turned off. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.